Hey, happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you're notified when we post a new video. Now, let's get started. Starting out with our outdoor entertainment side, we do have our typical things out here like our LED strips and our two awnings, but we also do have a couple upgrades. One being on the bottom of this reflection, it has a rounded skirt bottom. So that is an upgraded safety feature. So if any little kids or animals are running underneath your camper, they're not gonna hit that sharp edge down there. It's rounded so they don't get hurt, which is a very nice upgrade. We also do have a safety rail over here. This is another safety upgrade, just makes it a little bit more durable. So when people are getting into the campers, it's very stable. We also do have a leash hitch out here to add your leash for your animals so that they can be out here and have a good little party with y'all as well. And one other upgrade out here, not really an upgrade, but they have done away with the indoor-outdoor speaker system. So don't worry though, that can be easily fixed with a Bluetooth speaker. You still have speakers inside, just none attached to the outside. Now, check out your storage. In the front of your reflection, you do have your pass-through storage space. As y'all can see, this space is huge down here. You're gonna be able to put all of your outdoor items, and they've given you an easy to clean out floor down here. So if things get a little dirty at the campground, don't worry, you can easily clean this space out. We also do have an electrical outlet over here, and over on your side, we do have our convenience bay with all the hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. Now, let's move inside. When you first walk in, we do have a couple upgrades in here. Starting out with our entryway door, you do have this upgraded crown molding around here. This is just an aesthetic upgrade, makes it look a little bit better in here. We also do have another couple of safety features over here. One being this Lippert screen defender. This is a sturdy little screen defender down at the bottom, and it allows for your kids and your animals to have this screen door open, and they're not gonna fall through. That is nice and sturdy, and it's gonna keep them in the camper, and it also protects your door as well. If you have a couple scratchers, they're not going to be able to scratch through that and get your door. We also do have an upgraded handle going up this hallway. This thing is super sturdy. Anybody can grab a hold of that and they're going to be able to get up there very much with ease. And moving over to my right hand side, we do have our control panel right here. This is where you're going to control all of your lights, your awnings, and your slides, and you do have a little bit of added storage up there along with your Travelfi. This is a new thing Grand Design has been doing. It's a pay-as-you-go Wi-Fi. If you're interested in that, definitely talk to your salesman about it and they can give you all the deets. Now, let's move to the kitchen. In our kitchen, we do have this hutch area. This is a perfect little catch-all place. You can put all of your things right here when you first walk into your door. Or if you want to use this as kind of a bar area or maybe a coffee cart, we do have some electrical outlets. There's one over in this corner, so you can put a margarita machine or a coffee maker and then set up all your stuff on this countertop. We also do have another electrical outlet right here. This is a nice countertop too, give you a lot of space. We do have some storage up here. This storage does have two little compartments, and this is connected to that same one as your control panel. You do have a little bit more storage over here, and in this open space you do have a USB and a USB-C port, so you can plug in some items there. You have this see-through storage up here, a little more to the left, and a ton down here just to put some extra items. I love having a kind of throwaway drawer to put all my junk in. This is the perfect place to do that. Now, let's move over to the rest of our kitchen. This kitchen is gorgeous. It is perfect for the chef and your family. You do have this huge fridge, and it's gonna give you tons of space for all of your groceries. And the other side is your freezer, and they give you a ton of space. And they've even given you this nice little ice tray. How generous. We also do have some storage over here. This opens up. I love when they give you this see-through panel so you can see your glasses or your pots and pans. You do have plenty of countertop space here as well, and they've given you an electrical outlet, so if you do want to put an air fryer over here, that's a good location for that. You have a 3-burner stovetop, and this is actually a really nice stovetop, you guys. It looks very much like a nice home. You also do have an oven underneath and a little bit of storage under that, as well as your microwave. You do have some storage over here. This is great to put all of your kitchen utensils in. And don't forget it, you do have your pantry as well. It's over here, and it is a very large pantry. I like how this one's a little bit bigger up here, so you can put some cereal boxes in. And there's a little space at the bottom for your dog food as well. But my favorite part of the kitchen is definitely the island, and it has tons of upgrades. So let's above our island, we have this pretty light feature. This just makes it really look like a home in here and not just like your old run-of-the-mill camper. So I really like that. And then below that, we do have our island. You have your sink right in the center, and they have given you this roll-up drying mat. You have the retractable sink nozzle, and you have your typical sink. But what I love, they've given you tons of countertop space on both sides. So if you want to use this as kind of a serving area to have your food set out, you're going to have lots of space to do that. We have an electrical outlet on the other side as well as one over here. So if you do want to have some crock pots up here to plug in, you can do that. We have lots of storage on this side, plenty of storage under your sink if you do want to put some cleaning supplies under there. And like I told you guys, that we do have some cool upgrades over here. They've given you designated storage. On this side, they built in the places for all of your utensils, like your forks and spoons and knives. And then you just have a couple more drawers for storage as well. And on the other side, we do have another designated spot. They've given you 2 trash cans right here. I love that they've done this. A lot of times you don't know where you want to put your trash cans, and they've given you that space right out of the way. And you do have another drawer here, but there's one more upgrade on the other side, so let's switch over and check it out. This looks like it's just a plain side of your island, but this is actually a serving space for one special friend, and that is your dog. They've given you a nice little water and food bowl for your dog, and it is stuffed right into your island. So while you guys are eating dinner, your dog can eat dinner right along beside of you. Now, let's check out your dinette. Right beside of your island where your dog is going to be eating dinner is your dinette where your whole family can eat dinner together. We do have our nice sturdy dining room table, and you also have this removable ottoman right here. So if you do want to place this somewhere else in the camper, it can be moved very easily. On the other side, we have 2 standing chairs, and check out this light feature in here. This is actually new, and it does match those lights across over above the island, which is very nice. We also do have 2 massive windows beside of you, so when you're eating dinner or breakfast, you can see all those gorgeous campground views. Now, let's check out our living room. In the same slide as your dining room table, we do have these gorgeous theater seats. These do have 3 cup holders in them, and the 2 side ones have some settings. You have a heat setting, a back massage setting, and a light setting. The lights aren't on right now, but when they are, it does illuminate these cup holders as well as some underlit lighting. You also have USB ports on both sides, and we do get some questions sometimes asking if these recline, and yes, you do have a little pulley on both sides, so it kicks these feet out. And this is made especially for campers, so when that does come out, you're not going to hit that window behind you, so don't worry about that. You also do have a little bit of storage right here. This is a decent amount of storage, so you could definitely throw a tablet in there or keep all your remotes in one place. We also do have some storage above me, and this is all one connected storage space. You could definitely throw some pillows up there or some extra blankets or puzzles. And right beside me, we do have an extra couch. This is a nice place to sit and watch a movie as a family, or if you have some extra guests at the campground and they need a place to sleep, this does convert into a sleeping space. We have some storage on the sides. This opens up, giving you a place to store some extra board games or blankets, and you do have an electrical outlet down here as well to plug in your chargers. We have some space up top. This is great for if you do have some extra guests and they want to put their luggage up there. There's plenty of space up there for that. Now, let's move over and check out our entertainment space. Across from our theater seats is our entertainment space. Over here, they've given you this large TV, and it is on a swivel. So if you want to move it around a little bit to see it from your other set of seats or your dining room table, that does move. We do have some storage up here for some video games or DVDs or some extra board games. And in the center, we actually do have an upgrade. This has a JBL speaker system. So like I said in the beginning, we don't have outdoor speakers, but your speakers inside are new and upgraded with that JBL speaker system. You also do have this large storage drawer down below your TV. You're going to be able to fit tons of things in here. Really anything you want in your living room area is going to be able to fit in there very nicely. And below that, we do have our fireplace. This works as a light setting if it is a little bit dark in here and you just want that light, or if you do want to have a heat setting in here for those cold winter months, that is a nice feature to have as well. Now, let's check out our bathroom. Your bathroom is located in your hallway in the front of this reflection, and you have all the necessities in here. Over on my left-hand side, we do have our medicine cabinet. That opens up and gives you some storage for your toiletries. You have a very nice sized countertop in here as well, with some space over to the side with an electrical outlet to put all of your hairstyling tools. You have a nice sized sink with some storage underneath. You have plenty of space for your toilet paper and other cleaning supplies, as well as some drawers on the side for your makeup and other items. Over on the right hand side, we do have our step to flush toilet and a nice little hanging bar for your towels, along with a very nice size storage over here. I like this open storage up here. I would probably fold some towels up there so you can see them very easily. And this opens up, giving you a couple more shelves in here for your soaps. And then behind me, we do have the best part, which is our shower. In here, you do have a built-in seat over here, along with this little built-in area for all your soaps and shampoos. And you do have a couple more on this side as well. And you do have your detachable shower head as well. And an upgrade in here, they have done away with the skylight, and they've given you this very bright light in here, so if it's dark, you're gonna be able to see very easily. Now, let's check out your bedroom. In the front of your reflection is your private bedroom. In here, we do have a queen size bed, and on both sides, you do have a window, and they've given you a little area right here to set your glasses on and a glass of water before bed. Over on my right hand side, we do have an electrical outlet, and on my left hand side, we do have an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port, so you can plug in your electronics over there. We do have a couple lights back here, and the best part of this bedroom is how much storage space there is, so let's check it out. Across from your bed, you do have this massive dresser area. You have a huge countertop right here and lots of space for all your clothes. They've given you a ton of drawers down here, so all your clothes are going to be able to be easily folded. And you do have extra storage up here as well for your bags and other items. And they've also given you a TV location right here if you do want to add a TV. And over on my right hand side, you have a massive closet, so let's check it out. The closet does have 2 mirrors on the doors, so you can see yourself when you're getting ready. And you have all the space you're going to possibly need in here. You have tons of shelves in here for your shoes and your bags. And you can see this behind me as well. We do have a blue light and a couple more shelves for all of those shoes. Another shelf up here along with a hanging bar for all of your clothes and tons of lighting in here. We do have electrical outlets on both sides, and a fun thing about this, it actually is washer dryer prepped, so when you purchase, you can add a washer and dryer in here if you want to. So if you like this unit or any other unit in our Grand Design line, make sure you give us a call or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.